How to transfer money from bank account to PayPal. The first thing you need to do is open the PayPal app and check if you've already linked a bank account, as this is required to add money. To do this, tap on Wallet at the bottom right, wait for it to load, and then scroll down to Bank Accounts and Cards to see if you have any linked. If not, tap the plus button next to Bank Accounts and Cards and follow the steps to link your bank. Once you have a bank account linked, you can add money. There are two ways to do this, from the wallet page or the home page. Tap on your PayPal balance, then tap Add Money at the bottom left. Choose how much money you want to add. Tap Next, and then select which bank account you want to transfer from. It will take up to 5 working days, but after that, the money will be added to your PayPal account. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.